Okay, hey everyone, this is Saurabh Prajapati. Today I'm here for check outing my students' condition because they are here and they are learning English to me. So today I made one plan for making videos and what are they doing. So you will see and I will ask questions to them and they will speak English because they are learning English to me. So you can see in videos. So let's come and look what are they doing. You can see that they are learning English and they are a child. They will speak. I don't know what will they speak. So you can see now. So they are here. So hey everyone, how are you?
Fine. Yeah, we are fine. And you?
I'm also fine. What are you doing?
I'm standing.
Okay.
And talk.
Okay. Are you talking?
Yeah, I'm talking.
Okay. Tell me. Are you learning English or not?
Yeah, I learn. Yeah,
Okay. You learn English. Okay. Tell me. Can you speak? Okay. First of all, tell me. In which class do you study?
In class 8 class.
Okay. And where are you from?
I'm from Meerut.
Okay. Tell me, sister. What's your name?
My name is Mahi.
Oh, really? Nice name. And in which class do you study?
I am in 5th class.
Okay. And tell me, are you learning English?
Yeah, I learn English.
So I have one question for you. Because you are learning English, so can I ask?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me about, can you speak fastly your daily routine in English?
Yeah.
Okay, speak.
First of all, I wake up at 7 o'clock and then I go to bathroom and then I wash the hand and then I wash the face and then I go to bath and then I wash the clothing and then I take tea and then I go to coaching and then I shut up the kitchen and at 10 o'clock and then I go to home at 11 o'clock and then I eat food at 12 o'clock and then I sleep at 1 o'clock and then I wake up at 4 o'clock and then I playing 5 o'clock
Okay.
at 5 o'clock.
Okay, yes. And tell me, when do you study?
I study 6 o'clock.
Okay, so good. And you are also learning English. So I have one question for you. Can you speak? So tell me, can you speak one tongue twister? Which I'll give you. Tell me, red lorry, yellow lorry. Speak loudly and fastly. Can you speak? Speak.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, 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 red lorry.
Okay. So tell me, you learn English? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you tell me what do you like in study? Which one subject do you like?
I like studying and playing.
Okay. Which one subject? What do you like in study?
I study.
Do you like English or not?
Yeah, I like studying.
Okay. So it's enough for okay. Okay, start. Okay. Tell me, Sagar. Can you speak about your? Okay. Tell me. Did you study today or not?
Yeah, I study.
Okay. When did you study today?
I study today 16.
Okay. Okay. So tell me now you are doing exercise.
Yeah.
Okay. So you come here for exercise. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Hey. We are talking. Okay. Okay. We are fine. And you?
I'm fine.
Okay. You are also learning English.
Yeah, I'm learning.
Okay. Tell me what's your name first of all. Speak loudly.
My name is Aman.
Okay. You can ask. Okay. And what's your name?
My name is Shagun.
And your name?
My name is Puri.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Meerut.
Beta, speak loudly.
I'm from Meerut. Basically, I am from small city Nangla Tasi from Meerut.
Okay, so can you tell me about yourself? Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, speak yourself. Okay, tell me in which class do you study?
I am in 5th class.
Okay. And also, I have completed my 12th class. And in which class do you study?
I study 5th class.
Okay, and you?
I am in 5th class.
And where are you from?
I'm from Meerut.
Okay. So speak about yourself. Yeah. Okay. Would you like to listen yourself? Okay.
Yeah. First of all, I would like to
Speak loudly, beta.
I would like to pay my thanks to my respected teacher and my dear friend who give me a golden chance to come the program. So guys, today donut about myself. So my name is Aman and I am from Meerut. Basically, I am from small city Latasi from Meerut. And if you talk about my qualification, so hobbies are like
Okay,
the
in
study.
in which lab do you study?
I am
Okay, and what are your hobbies?
or I like
Yes, yes.
study.
Okay, and aim. What is your aim? What will you be? What will you be?
I will be. I
Yes.
will be soldier.
Okay, soldier. And you, what will you be?
I will be doctor.
Doctor. You will be doctor. Yeah. Good. So, okay. Okay. So now it's enough for today. You can do everything. Okay, na. So now you can say their condition. How could they speak and how are they speaking English? Okay, na. So now let's come and we will check out another students' condition. What are they doing? So these students are very smaller and you can see now. Let's come. Hey everyone, what are you doing? How are you all? First of all, tell me how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm also fine. What are you doing here? Are you talking?
Yeah, I'm talking.
Okay, first of all, tell me what is your name
My name is Ryan.
and your name and what is your name? Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Meerut.
Okay, in which lab do you study?
I am in
And you? In which lab do you study?
I am in second class.
Okay, so are you learning English?
Yeah, I learn.
Okay, and first of all, tell me what is your name
My name is Saka.
and your?
My name is Francis.
Okay, so tell me, tell me, what's your school name?
My school name
Beta, speak loudly. I didn't listen. Again, what is your school name?
is St. Public School.
And your, what is your school name? Tell me.
My school name is Kausalya Public School.
Okay, so can you speak Kankistar?
Yeah, I
Okay, so you come here. Come here. Okay, no, you come here. Tell me, you will speak Kankistar. Okay, red lorry, yellow lorry. Speak. No, not red word. Okay, good blood, bad blood. Speak fastly. Okay, so black blood. Okay, and you will speak. Okay, speak.
Good blood, bad blood, 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 good blood, bad blood.
And you, red lawyer, can you speak?
Yeah.
Okay, speak fastly. Yes. Okay, tell me. You are learning English, so tell me, do you like mangoes?
I like mangoes.
Why?
I like mangoes.
Okay, it's your favorite. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, now you come here daily.
Yeah.
Why? For exercise or not?
Yeah.
So do you do exercise here? Yeah.
Yeah. I like
Okay.
exercise.
So good. Okay, na. So you can talk. Okay, na. So you okay, guys? You could see that what are they speaking, and they are learning English to me, and only they have been learning English for only for 1 month. You can say, and some students have been learning English only for some days. Okay, na. So you could see their condition. They are learning, and they are doing hard work to learn English. And one day you will see they will speak fluently. Not a good, you know very well, nothing is done in a day, but one day definitely will done. Okay, so that's it, guys. Sorry for our mistakes which might have done in this ground. We will talk again. Okay, so Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.